If you've got a JK Wrangler and they're still rolling around with the factory taillights, then you're gonna wanna ditch those and check out these LED 3-bar black housing taillights featuring a clear lens that are gonna fit 07 to 18 JK Wranglers. These things are really gorgeous. They feature 3 kind of half circles that has an OLED LED technology, a reflector up top to keep you legal, and then even the reverse light is built into there. On the side of it, it's also got a reflector which retains the legality of it. These are DOT approved, as well as 2 different marker lights on the side there to really help others see you. So I think these are gonna match well with the gecko green paint on this Jeep that we're gonna install them on. So let's get those factory ones pulled out and install these brand new black housing LED taillights and see how they look. Let's get these factory worn out taillights removed off here using a Phillips head screwdriver. We've got an impact here so it'll pull it off a little bit easier. Make sure you keep these bolts. You'll need 2 on the inside. There's 1. Now we can get the taillight removed. Then go on the back side and disconnect the factory plug. On the back side, this one is labeled right hand. That is going to be the passenger side. What you're going to do is plug this into the factory connection. Then we use the 2 factory screws to get it reinstalled. Simply plug it in. Hear that latch? Now we can get all the wires tucked in there nicely. Get this sitting flush and reuse the factory 2 screws on the inside. I like to get them started by hand, especially if you're using a power tool. You don't want to just ram it in there. Now get these 2 bolts tightened up. I like to snug up the top one, go down and make sure the bottom one goes in. That way it's not working against the screw to pull it in the right location. Okay, that's all it takes. These are installed. Repeat the exact same process on the other side. I'm gonna turn them on and show you guys how they function. Here they are with the running lights on. Next, we'll throw on the 4-ways and see how they would look with a turn signal that would be turned on. Okay, let's do the brakes, see how those look. Look pretty good? Ready for reverse? Well, that's a wrap, guys. These taillights installed super simply with your factory hardware, and I think they look absolutely awesome on the back end of the Jeep. I showed you guys how they work, all the features that are built into them, and I think they look great. Honestly, that black housing is gonna match any color Jeep you have. Looks really great with the gecko green that we have on this 2012, and the plug and play design allows you to just simply pull off your old ones, plug these in, and not have to worry about anything. The resistors are built in, they're not gonna do any hyper flashing, and they're gonna look great for years to come. So if you wanna check out these taillights as well as many other great lighting options for your Jeep, be sure to check us out at cjponyparts.com.